Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. Also, keep in mind that this video reflects my personal experience with the platform. In this video, we're taking a closer look at Wealthsimple, a popular platform designed to help you manage your finances. You can find their website at https://www.wealthsimple.com. Wealthsimple offers a range of services, from simple investing and trading to more comprehensive wealth management tools. They aim to simplify the often complex world of finance, making it more accessible to everyone, regardless of their experience level. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, Wealthsimple provides a variety of options to suit your specific needs and financial goals. They offer different account types, including tax-free savings accounts, TFSAs, and registered retirement savings plans, RRSPs, catering to various investment strategies and tax optimization plans. One of the key features of Wealthsimple is its user-friendly interface, which makes navigating the platform and managing your investments a breeze. Their website and mobile app are designed with clarity and simplicity in mind, allowing you to easily track your portfolio, make trades, and stay informed about market trends. Wealthsimple also emphasizes transparency, providing clear information about fees and investment performance. This helps you make informed decisions about your finances and understand exactly how your money is being managed. For those who prefer a more hands-off approach, Wealthsimple offers Robo advisor services, where your investments are managed automatically based on your risk tolerance and financial objectives. This can be a great option for individuals who are new to investing or who simply don't have the time to actively manage their portfolios. They also provide educational resources to help you learn more about investing and personal finance. From articles and tutorials to personalized advice, Wealthsimple empowers you to take control of your financial future. Ultimately, Wealthsimple aims to make investing easier and more accessible for everyone, regardless of their background or experience level. They offer a range of services and tools to help you achieve your financial goals, from simple investment accounts to personalized portfolio management. So, be sure to check out their website at https://www.wealthsimple.com to learn more and explore the various options they offer.